Hi guys, now I am at the border between Rwanda and Uganda, the place called Kaniga. It's not the official border, but you can pass by here going down, and you can roast in Uganda. So this place, it's in Rwanda, here it's in Uganda. So keep watching my videos, exploring with me, and please like, comment and subscribe to my channel Haso yangu Show KGL. So see you soon on the next episode. Thank you. Ciao. Peace. Oh. Here hano abantu bazaga kugamamo kamazeyo kana kambere y'intambara. Guys, this is the guy told me here you can come and hide. People they come and hide inside here. The rain, when it is raining, maybe you are going and inside here you can come here and hide from the rain. So this is amazing, guys. It's under the hill. Hello guys, how are you doing? DJ KGA here. I am in the place called Nyabugogo, this big bus station, and I am heading to north of the country, the place called Gicumbi, and maybe it's his rounding if I can. So I am here. I come to catch up the bus going there. So keep in touch, guys. Peace wherever you're watching me from, and thank you for supporting me. Now I gonna take you there. It's a very beautiful place. It's the most cold place in our country, so that's why I carry the bag with the necessary thing so that I can't be cold. So I carry everything I can need when I meet the strange weather. And it is a very warm weather now. You can feel the warm, but it is crowded too. Probably sometime can rain. So I am here. Let's go and catch the bus. I'm gonna buy the ticket, and then after buying the ticket, I'm gonna start that journey. So stay with me, be with me, and kindly, if it is the first time to see me, I am DJ KGL from Rwanda, and I am the vlogger. So I like you. If you like vlogging videos, you can do what? Like and subscribe. So here those are offices where you can buy ticket to this party. Here it's the ticket to when you going maybe in Kenya, in Tanzania, in Uganda, wherever you like to go outside of the country. So in this party of the offices, it's there I gonna buy the ticket to that North Province. So it's very many people. There is so many people here. I don't know if I'm gonna have the bus very easy. I don't know. And I need to ask. I need the guys to ask. Imodoka ijya Igicumbi ni ihera nayigurira he? Nizere ko hatari abantu benshi ariko so I am going to buy the ticket in this office. So aramutse nshaka tike y'Igicumbi. Wabonye message? Okay, bisi ibiri hehe? So guys, here I bought my ticket. So and I get the bus. The hour is 11:40. So I gonna wait in the bus till the time coming to go. So the guy here, he heading me to the bus. Okay. Ubwo ndicaramo ntegereze kugeza saa 5. Okay. So I was thinking to be lucky to have a good seat. It's good I am alone now here to have a good place. I was like to be there, but it's okay, someone is sitting there. So I gonna wait till 11:30 so that we can go and we're gonna be together in this journey. So I'm gonna try to see if I can find some good, beautiful places to show you. And I know there is many. Okay, let me see if in my phone I still have one picture of where I have idea to go. Let me see. This one was selling juices. That's why he was shouting. It's her. So I gonna see if I can find the photo. If I can find the photo showing you where I have idea to go and show you. Yes, now I have the photo. Look, I don't know if you can see the photo so good. So there is one beautiful small village or small center down in the valley. So it's looking so beautiful. I'm gonna show you in the phone. Maybe you can't see that good, and it's okay. I'm gonna be live there today. So keep in touch, guys. I'm gonna wait till we start the journey. I am lucky, guys. We changed the bus and I find the beautiful place in the front. think I'm gonna have a beautiful view, beautiful side of view. Yes, that I was informing you that I am happy to have what I like, the place I like to sit. So we keep waiting now. It's 11:11. So we're gonna keep till 11:40. So we together now 11:38. It's about to start our bus, but unfortunately someone told me I have the wrong bus. The exact place I was like to go, it's another bus, but it's okay, I'm gonna fix it. But this bus I'm sitting now, it's not going directly where I like it to go. But it's okay, I don't need to wait another bus, and it's okay. But here guys, it's very sunny. I am sweating in the bus already. So about 1 minute we're gonna leave, and I'm gonna show you. It's a beautiful place. It's the first time in my videos. It's the first time to go to that site. So I'm gonna show you the beautiful places, beautiful and nature, green country. So about 31 minutes we're gonna leave. Oh, now it's exactly 11:40. So I hope soon we're gonna start, because I am very hot. The sun is burning here. So I hope we're gonna start soon, because maybe because I am sitting on the window, it's gonna come fresh air. So soon we're gonna start, guys. Now we are starting the journey about 48. So I don't know how long the journey is, but I think maybe it's 2 hours. Okay, about 1 hour and a half. So we're gonna be there, and I start feeling the fresh air, because now we're moving. So here you can see watch other videos, previous video, mostly on this area, the Nyabugogo, and it is looking like this. Now we are leaving, we starting. So the driver told me it's 1 hour and a half we're gonna drive. So this is how we started our journey, guys. That is how we started our journey. It's yummy, the air. So let's go, and I'm gonna show you more today. And I told you it is the first time to pass this way. Normally we used to pass there when I go into Ruhengeri, when I am going to Butare South and west, some part of Western Province. So this time we're taking this way. So this way also It's the main way, the main street to Uganda. When you're going to Uganda, you can pass by here, or you can pass by Eastern Province to another border, to the second border. So today we're passing this way. It's the first time that I gonna pass this way. So we stuck in here because of the traffic, right? So soon we're gonna leave. Look there. We're gonna move soon. So this is the park, the taxi park. I was taking my bus. So this area called the Gasyata, it's on the hill. The houses, look how it is looking. It's on the hill. So passing this way, like we are going to Uganda, and 1 hour and a half we're gonna be there. All this area, Gasyata area, it is on the hill. Another side in the big town there, in the big town, another party is Kachiru. So we're going this way, and see you there. I gonna keep showing you the beautiful places when I have them. I need to keep my memories so much because I like to have more video. I have to show you many places. Look there on the hill. Rwanda, it is called the 1,000 hills country because we have so many hills. So we are still in Kigali, and I'm gonna tell you when we're leaving Kigali, when we're gonna say bye to Kigali. Okay guys, so you can subscribing for the daily vlogging video. Give the video a like, smash that button please. coming. We are about to reach Kigali, the city. Now this is the camera, the speed camera. So here there is rice plant. In this valley there is a rice plant, and that many trees. It's the bamboo trees. There, it's bamboo. We are no longer in Kigali. Now we start the north province. So this part of the country, it's very cold, as I told you, and it is very green. They have so many forests, and it is beautiful. It is very beautiful. As you see, this is the Samo River. Also, they have some river. So now, look, we are passing. We going to north now. So. This is the sugar cane up there. It's the bamboo trees. Yo, nenda kum. So the most trees here, it's a cactus. This, you see, it's a cactus. Down there it's maize, and the other plant here, it's sugar cane. see every time here, you see this kind of like those guys, they are carrying milk, cow milk. So this area they have many cows, and because it is green, I think it is a good place suitable to the cow, to many animals.
Weka chola. Stamnyani guys. Yish. Chiramo za Byumba zote. Za Byumba zote zinajama.
There, it seems all along this valley we have these trees, bamboo trees, all around the river. There is a river passing alongside these bamboo trees. Look how beautiful it is between those two hills. It's very beautiful, very yummy to see. Look, we have a camera everywhere. So now we are in the rural area. That's why we don't meet so many people, but we always have small centers like this one in the way. So we're dropping and picking, dropping and picking, dropping and picking in the way, dropping and picking. So not a direct bus. But it's okay. I hope in 1 hour and a half we're gonna be there. So this is sugarcane. I was showing when we was going fast. Maybe you didn't see good. But this is how, if you are using sugar all the time and you don't know, that comes from this plant. So this is banana trees. You may be eating bananas and you never have a look on the banana tree. So we're going again. We was dropping and picking person. So we continue our journey. Look, the hill after another hill, the hill after another. Look there. And it's very beautiful. And still, it is green. Look, now we are in the rural area, but you can't see any trash. When it is green, you can see everywhere. Look, another beautiful hill here. It's very high. I think now we are entering another we are entering the north. This is another small center. There is many people. Maybe today it's a Sunday. Maybe people they coming from church. That's why they are here. This is a market up there. Market, but that market, it's closed. This is, guys, this Rwanda. Many hills, many trees. This is a big lake there. Corners, right, left, all the time. Look, guys. Yes, we are heading to district, cold place. So I'm gonna check when I am there how degrees from there about the weather. Look, everywhere, and very beautiful to see. this is lock. Here down there is a factory about these rocks. So here so that's why there is a small factory to fix those locks, to construct streets. This is local business. On Sunday, people they selling different stuff, tomatoes, onions, and so on. And there is a guy who he's repairing shoes from that umbrella. So it's a hustle, and it is also here they're selling the clothes is down there. So this is how guys life in the rural. They fighting to have money, and it's not easy like in the cities. So it's a struggle to get money. So we keep going. There is a big sunshine. Now we are on another side of the hill. Before we was coming this, now we turn around on this side. We was seeing on this hill. So we was coming from there. We turn around. We are now up to the hill. But as you see, one hill, another hill, one hill on another hill. Here there's a tank maybe for local to distribute water. Look guys, here's nothing beautiful as to watch is with trees. Look how people living there. There is in that village they have also some small shops where you can buy things. that means we are about reaching the final destination. Yes. And it's not yet cold. We still have warm. I can check if I have internet and see how is the weather. I'm gonna check. Weather is showing me that we have sunny and it's 20 degrees and we are at Kigali. The place is very the hill. Can you see there is no, we are on the top. That's why as we go, I think as we're gonna start feeling cold. Changed here. We still have 20, but it says it's raining. It's raining. I don't know. We are not yet having the rain here, but let's see. Maybe it's gonna rain. I don't know. So guys, go. umuntu witwa gutya bita Redi. Guys, so now I am here, the bus. I didn't find the bus directly where I am going, but maybe I'm gonna find it here. So let me ask. Ndashaka kujya iyi nzira y'Ibyumba ijya ku Ibyumba ujya muri iriya batagusiga. So I have another bus here. I don't know if I'm gonna get a good reka nicare hambere, reka nicare hano.
Wanjye ngiye Gicumbi. Ngiye Gicumbi.
Igicumbi mu mujyi? Ko bari bambwiye ko
wari muri iriya modoka mbanye Kigali. Ngiye Gicumbi wanjye.
Okay. Bari bambwiye ko iyi ngiyi igiye aho ngiye. Okay guys, I gonna check it later. I like it to give you a little bit tour, and I'm gonna show you how it's looking this side. So the bus, I like it to go this way, and the bus is going that way, but it's okay. I'm gonna see how I'm gonna do. I am here, it's very sunny today, and I like to go one place I showed you in the morning. Now it's 12:57, so I like to go this way, and the bus going to the biggest city of this province. You passing there, and I like to show you guys here how it's looking. It's looking beautiful. It's here, and here it is where here is meeting. So this is how Rwanda is looking beautiful, and I am very happy because it is my hobby to travel. I am here, look there, it's a beautiful place. So today I'm gonna go in the rural area where I like to give you a little tour. Now it's almost afternoon, and I am here at Rukomo, so I gonna see if I can catch up another bus so that I can be able to go where I need. And what funny is, I don't know if I gonna see how I gonna go there. I gonna ask someone how I can go there. I like to take photo here. I like here to take one photo. Oh wow, it's looking very beautiful. It's looking very yummy. This is how it looks, guys. I am here. The bus is full. I'm gonna wait another one, and I don't know how I'm gonna be there, but I keep on going. I'm gonna still pushing. Iyi ngiyi ndekande ubuse ndabona indi ryarira cyangwa hari hirya niho heza ho guhagarara.
Ahubwo rinye z'imodoka no kwegera zitenda no kuza. Wasanga hano bategereje.
Reka bari bahamaze umwanya munini.
Manzu metro wose ngo iyi ari gitereki. Arenzanye ugiye kugenda RFC. Hari indi tugende aho turebe kapani bigiye guhita yohereza bano bari butumve.
So I gonna keep guys trying. This is someone who was helping me to get this bus, but the bus is full, and it doesn't matter. I gonna give you something, guys. If not, none iyo uciye hariya kuri ugera heho.
Nta muhanda ari
Kandi mbona abantu bari kugenda.
hariya nyine bari mu isoko
So guys, that's how my journey is, and now the bus it is full. I need to wait another one, but I promise you I gonna be there. So guys, I needed to buy another ticket. Salam. I need to buy another ticket. Magana arindwi.
Abiceri magana ufite. Zina ninde?
Yitwa Giovanni. Iri mugufi se.
Nta biceri ufite.
So guys, here I got another ticket for 700. Kera mutigaranye ijana. Asante kumfasha. So I was saying thank you to this guy with the bicycle. He was helping me to find out the car I can use. So I needed to buy another ticket for the next trip. So I am heading there to cut where the bus will stop. So I need to wait up some minutes. I don't know how many minutes. But I am still here. Hano bahita Rukomo. I am here in Rukomo. Biciyemo mzee murakoze. There is a passenger, someone also heading the same place. So we're going there to wait for the bus. So if it comes soon, we're gonna continue our journey. It's too late now, and it seems like it's gonna rain, but I think I'm gonna handle it. This is a eucalyptus